So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy XRP on the Kraken application. So once you open up Kraken, I want you to go to the bottom and press on the Explore button. Then at the top, press on Search, and then type in ticker symbol XRP for XRP. So once that is done, just press on that. Once you're on XRP right here, I want you to go down to where it says Buy XRP in the purple. Once you're on this page, type in the minimum amount or the custom amount that you're looking to buy. So I believe you have to go with a minimum of $12.50 Canadian to proceed with the transaction. Once you have the amount, press on the purple arrow right here in the middle on the right hand side. Once you're on this page, it'll show you your transaction. So it'll show you the amount, the price, the Kraken fee, and the total. Then if you go down, you can press on I understand and then press on confirm to proceed with your transaction if you wish. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy XRP on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.